Today we are going to learn new lesson, that is length. Children, most of the places we need to find out to measure the length. For example, we are measuring the length of cloth. If you want to make the furniture in the house, for that also length we are measuring of our room, or the length of the road, that also we are measuring. But all these lengths we are measuring in different units. Okay, suppose small piece of cloth is there, then that we are measuring in centimeter. If little big it is there, then we are measuring in meter. But the length of the road we don't use, we are not measuring in centimeter and millimeter. That we are measuring in kilometer. Okay, the kilometer is the biggest unit of measuring length. So we are knowing 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This we are knowing. But what are the other units and how they are related to each other, that we will see in detail. So see here, millimeter. The smallest unit of length is millimeter. Then centimeter. Then dm is decimeter. Then meter. Then DAM means decameter, then HM means hectometer, and KM means kilometer. These are the abbreviations. MM means millimeter, CM centimeter, DM decimeter, M meter, DAM means decameter, HM hectometer, and KM means kilometer. Here kilometer is the biggest unit of measuring length. Now see, millimeter, it is smaller than centimeter. Centimeter is smaller than dm. It is smaller than m. Then meter is smaller than decameter. Decameter is smaller than hectometer, and hectometer is smaller than kilometer. Okay. See here. Now, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. See, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. See here, 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. Also, you can say 100. Now, 10 centimeter means 1 decimeter, no? And 1 decimeter means 1 meter. So, 10 into 10, 100. That is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then, 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. So that only it is shown here. See here, up till here we have seen. Now 10 meter is equal to 1 DAM is decameter. 10 decameter is equal to, see, 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer or 100 meter. 10 into 10, 100. 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. Then 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. Or we can say 10 into 10, 100 into 10, 1000. That is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. These are the conversions. See, I will show you conversion of lengths. Watch it carefully. It's very easy. This order you should know. From smallest to biggest. First millimeter comes, then centimeter, then decimeter, then meter, then decameter, then hectometer, and then kilometer comes. These you should know the ascending order, okay, of these units. Now how to convert? Each unit go on increasing by 10. Okay, see here, millimeter. If you want to convert the conversion, if you want to convert millimeter into centimeter, centimeter is bigger than millimeter, correct? So, if you want to convert millimeter into centimeter, you have to divide it by 10. What we have to do? See, whenever we have to convert smallest unit into biggest, that time we have to do division. And when we have to convert biggest unit in the smallest, we have to do multiplication. See here, if you want to convert millimeter, that is smallest into biggest, divided by 10. But if 10. Every time see, millimeter to centimeter divided by 10. Centimeter to decimeter divided by 10. Decimeter to meter divided by 10. Then centimeter to meter divided by 100. Why 100? Because see, 10 tens are 100. So if you want to convert direct centimeter to meter, you will have to divide it by 100. Okay? And if you want to convert millimeter to meter, 10 into 10 into 10. Sorry, that is 1000. So if you want to convert millimeter into meter, you will have to divide it by 1000. Okay? Now next, here also same, meter to decameter divided by 10. Decameter to hectometer divided by 10. And hectometer to kilometer divided by 10. If you want to direct convert meter to hectometer divided by 100. Why 100? Because see, 10 into 10, 100. And if you direct want to convert meter into hectometer, then 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Means you have to divide it by 1000. Same reverse, this was from smallest to biggest, we have to do division. And from biggest to smallest, if you want to convert, you have to go on dividing by, multiplying by 10. See here. Kilometer to hectometer, if you want to convert kilometer into hectometer, multiply by 10. Hectometer to decameter, multiply by 10. Decameter to meter, multiply by 10. If you want to convert direct hectometer to kilometer, you want to multiply by 100. Why? Because see, 10 into 10, that is 100. So if you want to convert direct into hectometer into meter, you have to convert, multiply by 100. If you want to direct convert kilometer into meter, then what you have to do? See, 10, 10, 10, that is 1000. Okay? So kilometer to meter, if you want to convert, multiply it by 1000. Next, if you want to convert meter into decimeter, multiply by 10. Decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 10. And centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. If you direct want to convert meter into the centimeter, see 10 tens are 100. You have to multiply by 100. And if you want to convert meter to millimeter, see 10, 10, 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. That means if you want to convert meter into millimeter, you have to multiply by 1000. Always keep in mind, whenever you will have to convert smaller units into biggest, you will have to divide by 10. Go on dividing by 10. And if you want to convert bigger to smallest, we have to do multiplication. Okay? This conversion you will have to keep in mind. It's very easy. Only this sequence you should keep in mind. From smallest to biggest. See here students. This is very important. This you should note down in your notebook. This also. See, to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, what we have to do? We have to divide it. Okay, we have to divide. And to convert bigger into smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay, this is very important. Now, for your understanding, I have kept one box here which shows all these units in ascending order. Now, quick check. First one, if a centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, okay, if the centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is called centimeter is divided into, now 1 centimeter, if it is divided into 10 parts, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 what? Millimeter, correct? That is, if a centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is called a millimeter. One part, 1 millimeter. Like that 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter. Okay. Next, how many centimeters make a decimeter? How many centimeter makes a decimeter? 1 centimeter, sorry, 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. So how many centimeter makes a decimeter? 10. Answer it is by 10 meters, means 10 centimeter, sorry, 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter means 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter means 1 meter. Like that it is gone increasing by 10 parts. So 1 decimeter is equal to how many millimeter? So see here, this 10 into 10. Now we have to convert decimeter into millimeter, means we have to multiply. So 10 into 10, 100. Okay. So 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. Okay. Next, 1 kilometer, this is equal to how many decimeter? Now see, this 10 and 10. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000 and 1000 tens are 10,000. That is 10,000 dm. Followed how? We have to convert kilometer into decimeter. That means we have to go on multiplying by 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 4 times we have to multiply by 10. The answer is 10,000. Now arrange in ascending order. We have to arrange this in ascending order. So centimeter, meter, decimeter, kilometer and millimeter. So which is the smallest in this? Millimeter. After that what is there? Centimeter. Then what will come? dm, decimeter. Then what? Meter. And then kilometer. This is the ascending order of these given units. Only these units are given, so we have written. Okay. This chart is very much important. You will have to keep it in mind. Okay. Students, see once again. First one, if a centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is called I have written only millimeter. Each part means 1 millimeter. Like that 10 parts means 1 centimeter. We'll solve practice 8.1. In that, fill in the blanks. First one, we have to convert 36,411 millimeter into centimeter. That is, we have to convert smallest to biggest. Now, smallest to biggest means what we have to do? We have to do division. And then centimeter to decimeter and decimeter to meter. Now, see, it's very easy. Look at here. First, we have to convert millimeter to centimeter. That means with what we will divide? By 10. Correct? That is 36411 divided by 10. So, now division with 10 means what we have to do? We have to just shift the decimal to left side by 1 place. Okay? Now see, here this number write as it is, and we have to from the right side we have to start and we have to move shifting to the left side. So how many places it will shift? Only 1 0. So 1 place. That means from here count 1 place. That is 3641 centimeter. So this answer we'll have to convert millimeter into centimeter. We have to divide by 10. So the answer is okay. We have just shifted the decimal to the left side by 1 place. Now we have to convert centimeter to here decimeter, dm, decimeter. That means now this how many centimeter? 3641.1 centimeter to decimeter. Again what we have to divide by 10. So divide by 10. Now this number write as it is without decimal. Okay. Now at first here the decimal is there, decimal point. Now we have to divide by 10. Means again by 1 place we have to shift to the left side. So where it will come? This one. After shifting 1 place it will come here. That is 364.11 decimeter. So here answer will come. Okay. Only it is shifting the digits, nothing else. Now we have to convert 364.11 decimeter to meter. Now see here decimeter to meter. That means again we have to divide this decimeter 10. So 364.11 divided by 10. Now again what will happen? Again you have to shift the decimal point by one digit, one place to the left side. Now where it will come? See here. Earlier it was here, no? So again by one digit it will shift here. That is 36 point. The answer will come 36.411. Followed? Gone. As per this, we have to do division. Smallest to biggest, we have to divide by step by step. We have to divide by 10. Okay. Next, look at here. 92,810 centimeter. Now centimeter you will have to divide by. You will have to convert into meter. Where is centimeter? See here. And this you will have to convert into directly into meter. From smallest to biggest, that means division only, but not with 10. Now see 10 into this 10 is also there, that is 100. Okay, so 92,810 to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100. Now division with 100, two zeros, that means we have to shift the decimal by 2 places to the left side. So this number 2 places means 1 and 2 to the left side. So the answer is this 928.10. Now this many meter you will have to convert into decameter. DAM means decameter. See here. Now meter you will have to convert into decameter. Meter to decameter means again you have to divide by 10. One step 10, but directly 2 steps if you want to convert them by 100. Directly by 3 steps, that means you will have to multiply by 10, 10, 10 or divide by 10, 10, 10, that is 1000. So here 928.10 decameter, you have to convert, meter, you have to convert into decameter. That is only you have to meter to decameter means only divide by 10. Now division with 10, this you will have to divide by 10. So the decimal place will shift by one place to the left side. Now earlier here it is, no? So one place shifting it, where it will come? 92.810. So here answer will come 92.810. Now this many decameter you will have to convert into kilometer. Decameter directly to kilometer. Two steps it is. That is divided by 100. Okay. So 92.810 we have to divide by 100. Now 100 means again 2 places we have to. So where it will come? At first it is here. So 2 places we have to shift to the left side. That is 1, 2. So where it will come? Before. Okay. So here nothing is there. So whole part is 0. So how many kilometers? 0.92810 kilometer. In this way we have to do conversion. Follow? Question number 3C. 28,412 decimeter we have to convert into meter. Now see, decimeter to meter means from smallest to biggest. So divided by, and only one step. So divided by 10. 28412 divided by 10. Again what we will do? We will shift decimal point to the left side by one place. Okay. So answer will now one place from this. So 1. So this many meter. 2841.2 meter. Okay. Now these many meters we have to convert into hectometer. Now meter to hectometer. Now see 2 steps directly we have to. That is this number we have to divide by 2 steps. Mean 10 tens are we have to divide by 100. Now 100 decimal by how many digits? 2 digits, 2 places. So earlier it is here, no? Write the number first as it is. Earlier the decimal place is here. From here again 2 places we have to shift, that is 1 and 2. So it will come here. Okay, that is 28.412 hectometer. Now hectometer we have to convert into kilometer, means only by one step. So that is this answer divided by 10. Only one step we have to convert, that is divided by 10. So the number write as it is. Earlier where is the decimal? See here. Now from here we have to shift one digit to the left side. So where it will come? 2.8412 kilometer. Okay. In this way we have to. This table is very much important. From this you will understand. Each step go on increasing by 10. Okay. And here means if you want to from smaller to bigger, then division, and bigger to smaller, then multiply by 10. Go on multiplying by 10. Now here see, we have to convert meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer. Direct how many steps? Meter to kilometer. 1, 2, 3 steps. That means we have to divide this by 1000. 3 steps we are moving now. See, meter to kilometer. 1, 2, 3 steps we are moving. That means divide by 1000. Okay. Now division by 1000 means this number first write as it is, and division by 1000 means we have to shift decimal point by 3 places to the left side. So count 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 42.400 kilometer. Okay. Next, fifth one. Here 9.42 meter. Meter we have to convert into decimeter. That means we have to multiply by 10. So 9.42 we have to multiply by 10. Now in multiplication by 10, 100,000, what do we do? We are shifting the decimal to the right side. While division, what did we do? We shifted the decimal to the left side. But while multiplication, we have to shift the digit to the right side. If multiplying by 10 means shift right side by 1 place. Multiplying by 100 means shift the decimal point to the right side by 2 places. And multiplication with 1000 means shift the decimal point to the right side by 3 places. Okay. Now here see 9.42 multiply by 10. So what? This number write as it is. Earlier the decimal point is here. So it will shift by 1 place here to the right side. That is 94.2. Okay. Now 94.2 decimeter you will have to convert into centimeter. Decimeter you will have to convert into centimeter. Means 1 step. So again multiplied by 10. So now again decimal place will shift to by 1 place to the right side. So the answer is 942.0. 0.0 if you are not writing then also okay. See earlier decimal place was here. After multiplying by 10 it will shift to 1 digit, 1 place to the right side, that is after 2. So here decimal place will come. That is 942.0, or only you can write 942. No problem. Okay. Now next 942 we have centimeter. Centimeter you will have to convert into millimeter. So multiply by 10. Sorry. Okay. Multiply by 10. Now here what will happen? Multiplication by 10. Here no decimal point. So only 1 0 will increase. Okay. That is 9420.